In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce Upsell pop-up in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our demo store, and I've currently just added this particular product to our basket. So it's a book, and I've created an upsell in the back end to try upgrade customers to actually get the same book but in an audio format. Okay, so the upsell will appear in a few different ways. Okay, so one, when they add it to their basket, this mini cart area will open here, and then we've got this offer here as well. But also when they view the checkout page, we'll also show them this offer. Okay, so here on the checkout page, we're actually showing the customers the same upsell offer but in a pop-up format, and then here they've got the option to either accept or reject this offer. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add this offer to our cart. Okay, so there's a few things we can do here as well. So instead of just adding the product to the cart, what we can do is we can create a rule in the back end to actually replace the existing product. So we can actually create a rule to replace it with a specific product. Okay, so let's say, for example, I've created this upsell offer for this audiobook, right? So whenever any customers accept this offer, we can actually replace this new product with this particular existing product. Okay, if you wanted to go that route, so then the customers can just continue to check out and complete their order. Okay, so if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to AovUp.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin by AovUp. I'll leave a link in the description below, and with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout plugin by AovUp, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll just go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Go ahead and click activate, enter in your license key, then it will automatically redirect you to this add-on section. Okay, and then from here we can just scroll down and go ahead and make sure we enable the all-in-one checkout plugin. Okay, so I've got the free version and the pro version active. For this, you will need a pro version to create the dynamic pop-up offer. Okay, so once this is activated, we'll just navigate over to AIO Checkout for all-in-one checkout. Okay, and then here where it says order bump, we'll just go ahead and click on this here, and then we can just click add order bump. Okay, since I've already created one, I'm going to go ahead and edit this one here. Okay, I'm just going to click on it to edit it. But in your case, the first thing you'll do is you'll go ahead and add a product, and I'm actually going to add an additional product to this offer. Okay, so let's just search for a random product. Okay, so now we've got these two products displaying here. So we can give a discount on the original price. So for example, here we can see the regular price is £49. We can add a discount here, whether a percentage or a fixed discount. I'm just going to leave everything as it is for now. So for the display option, we can display this offer as soon as the checkout page loads, or we can actually delay this offer. Okay, I personally recommend just delaying it, maybe for a few seconds, right? Maybe 3 seconds or something like that. And the main reason is just to give the page enough time to load. Okay, we don't want to actually slow down the user experience. In my case, I've set it to 5 seconds. Okay, so now when we head over to design, okay, we can go ahead and create our headline here. And then we can add a subtitle, okay, which is displayed here. And then for our product title, we can just add the short code here, which says title, and this will dynamically just add the product title. Okay, we can add some description as well if you wanted. Okay, as you can see, the description's being shown here. And for the call to action, we can add our call to action here. Okay, it's the same for this product as well. You might have noticed that the design slightly changed compared to the example I gave in the intro, and that's because we're using multiple products. So whenever we're using multiple products, it'll automatically switch the design to this grid format. Okay, so if you just wanted to display a single product, then of course the design will be slightly different to accommodate that design. Okay, so that looks good. And now we can navigate over to conditional rules. And in here, I've just created a rule which says that we only want to display this pop-up offer whenever the customer matched this particular criteria. Okay, the criteria is I've just set it that whenever a customer purchases a product within our book category, then we want to show this offer. Maybe this rule will work for you, or you might want to go a bit more granular. Okay, so again, it depends on your store setup, but you can create and you can add multiple different rules here as well. Okay, so I'm just going to hit save changes. Okay, and now we can head back over to our product page and just double check that this rule's working as it should. Okay, let's navigate over here, and I've already got this product in our basket here, so I'm just going to navigate over to the checkout page. I should note that the pop-up offer is different from this offer that we're seeing here, and to create this in-cart offer here, I'll leave a link on screen now to a different video which I've created showing you exactly how to do so. Okay, so I'm just going to navigate over to our checkout page, and if we wait 5 seconds, then our pop-up offer should display. Okay, and here we can see our pop-up offer, and as I said, the design slightly changed because we're displaying 2 different products here. Okay, and we can add it to our order and we'll see it display here as well. Okay, so now we can just proceed to our checkout and complete our purchase. And that's a quick and simple way to add a pop-up offer in your WooCommerce store. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in a comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.